Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the June Bellabox, so let's get into it. So there's something big in here because the box doesn't exactly close very well, so I'm keen to have a look and see what it is. Well, that is very cute. It's a little self-love sort of image on the card. So let's dive in, shall we? Now, the big boy that's in here, the one that made it not be able to close, looks pretty much full size. This is the Dr. Lewinn's Eternal Youth Foaming Mousse Cleanser. It is full size and it retails for $29.95 at drlewinns.com.au, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. A soft velvety cleanser which transforms into a rich foam for gentle and thorough cleansing, formulated with the powerful hexapeptide juveline soothing green tea and elf flower. Regular use will leave skin free from impurities and feeling fresh, soft and supple. So that's pretty cool to receive a full-size cleanser. I've not tried a lot of Dr. Lewinn's, so I'm keen to definitely give this a go. So that's really cool. That's a great product to receive in the box. Next we have this little bottle of something here. This is from the Body Shop. It is a ginger shampoo. It's just a sample, but the full size is $14 for the 250ml and $19 for the 400ml at the Body Shop. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. The Ginger Scalp Care Shampoo gently washes away loose flakes, leaving seriously swishable hair. Blended with ginger essential oil and infused with birch bark extract, aloe vera and vegan silk protein, this combination will leave your scalp cool, calm and collected. Is that what it says? Yeah. So that is a cute sample. I think it's pretty cool to receive something from the Body Shop. Since it is something that, you know, we don't have to order online, you can buy it in store. It's a readily available brand here in Australia. So yeah, that's a cool product to receive actually. It's just, you know, a small one is all. Next we have a little QV sample. This is the Moisturising Day Cream from the QV Face range. Something that I definitely sell at my job. So it's not a new product to me personally. However, I think it is a great product to receive for other people in the box, just because it is a very universal sort of product and I feel like a lot of people will like it. It's just personally, I'm already experienced with this product due to my job. So, but that's in no way the fault of Bellabox. So the 75-gram size is $6.60 and the 150-gram size is $24.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and egoshop.com.au. Gently formulated for daily hydration, QV Face Moisturising Day Cream also offers SPF 30 protection to help shield your skin against damage and premature aging from the sun's UV rays. Always read the label and use only as directed. If symptoms persist, see a healthcare professional. Sounds like an advertisement. But yeah, that would be a great sample for a lot of people to receive. It's just a pretty good, you know, daily moisturizer sort of thing. But yeah, it's not exactly like new in my sort of life, but that's all right. Next we have a little fragrance sample from Guess. This is the Bella Vita Rose Gold Edition. Obviously this is just a sample, but the 100ml is $69 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Guess Bella Vita Rosa celebrates the luminous and joyful woman. This fruity floral fragrance opens with fresh notes of sparkling Italian lemon, blackcurrant and quince. The exotic side of the Guess woman is expressed through the sweet blend of jasmine, magnolia blossom and freesia. This is then followed by a dazzling feminine and sensual trail with hints of crystal amber, moss and sandalwood. Let's give it a little bit of a sniff, shall we? Okay, to be honest, I can't smell it. I have a little bit of a cold at the moment, so I can't smell. So I'll have to wait to see if I actually like this, you know, in a few days once my head is back to normal. But I'm gonna say it smells good. I mean, Guess does usually produce some nice fragrances. I just physically can't smell it at the moment. So sorry about that. We have our hero product of the box. This is an MCoBeauty makeup product. We got to choose which one we wanted out of a couple. So I obviously chose the lip gloss, but there were some other lip products and a mascara to choose from as well. So this is full size, and I think it's about $12 from what it says. The MCoBeauty Pout Gloss Ultra Shine Lip Gloss is a luxurious, long-wearing gloss that delivers a sheer tint of colour and light reflecting radiance to plump and volumize the lips. Let's open it, shall we? And let's see what it looks like. The packaging is very reminiscent of the Fenty Gloss Bomb packaging, which is kind of funny. They seem to, MCoBeauty seems to, you know, copy a lot of things from other brands, which is fine. But yeah, it's just, they're not very subtle in the way that they do it, are they? So what is the shade of this called? Lullaby. So that is what it looks like. Not super like pigmented, but pigmented enough where you'll still get a nice pop of color. But yeah, it's definitely got some sheerness to it as well. We have a bonus this month. It is an Avene Hydrating Sleep Mask. Well, that looks cool. We usually get a lot of like Avene moisturizers or cleansers. So the fact that we're getting a mask is, it's great to see them branching out with other products from Avene rather than just the same little samples over and over again. So that's really great. It's a great bonus. And of course, we wouldn't be Bellabox without our advertising. So we've got Every Plate, we've got an Adore Beauty, and we've got the Body Shop. So lots of discount codes and marketing and all that. So yeah. Okay, so looking at everything we got in the box this month, I would definitely give this box a big thumbs up. I think it's really great. A big full-size cleanser from Dr. Lewinn's. That's an amazing product to get in the box. The shampoo sample is okay, but like it's not overly like exciting, but you know, it's great to see them reaching out to other brands that are very accessible to us here in Australia. The full-size lip gloss is, I think, a great one to receive in the box. The fragrance sample, I guess I'm not going to know until I can smell it, but yeah, fragrance samples are okay. The day cream sample I think would be great for a lot of people who haven't experienced the product before, but as someone who does work in pharmacy and deals with these products all day long, it's not new and exciting to me, but I know it will be to a lot of other people, which is great. And the Avene's bonus, yay, it's great that we actually got a bonus this month. I love that we get a bonus, but yeah, it's great to see them trying other products from the Avene line rather than just the same like handful of samples that they continue to rotate us with. So yeah, I think this is a great box. We've got a couple of full-size products, a few different things. I think it's great. So yeah, definitely a big thumbs up from me on this one. I'd love to know what you guys got in your box. Did you get different products to me? Did you get the same stuff? What did you think about what we all got? Let's have a conversation about it in the comments. I'm very keen to find out what you guys think. And yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye guys.